Nyuma ya kithurano kia mbere rungu rwa katiba njerũ thirikari cia makaunti nĩ ciambĩrĩirie ngũĩ nendene mĩaka 13 na kwĩ trilioni 3 na bilioni 500 nĩ itũmi makaunti-inĩ kuma kĩrĩ thirikari nene mbeca ya muna bũu imwe nĩ ciethirĩtie kuma miukone ya antu Bwa na kinya kwithira ciĩtũma mirandi ĩmwe ya thirikari 47 kwithira ikirema thirikari iyi amwe na kwithira itumirĩte mbeca bũthũ kunkulukinyi rumĩrĩ nĩ migomo ya maita kwa maita ũcerero kwa mbeca iyi na rĩmwe kinya kwithira itekwana kũruta ngũĩ iria bawĩtua nĩ akarirwa rĩkĩrĩ chunji kebiele leke muthikiro noro mwanya Inya Ûgai Bwa Mainya turorele madinara yarumirite thirikari cia matura ronoro ruthwaniri ni matindula.
That the Constitution set out in a schedule shall be the new Constitution of Kenya.
Thirikari cia makaunti na ndire na miaka 12 Miaka 12 jithirite thiurunki-ini mantu ngurani jario matetaja WAAGI bwa kigina gia kung'ana ungumania migomo ya magita kwa magita ya ARUTI NGUGI bwa kaunti na jangi ja maingi matetaja magavana ja WAAGI bwa mbeca na guchererwa gwachio RAIS RUTO nawe na inyirite ati nongerete mbeca iji makaunti-ini.
We still feel a lot of resources are left at the national level in the ministries, where you find a ministry could be having a budget that is 2 times for a particular ministry, like health, 2 times the combined budget for all the counties for health.
Under the Division of Revenue Act 2025, we have allocated an unprecedented Kenya shillings 415 billion to counties, nearly 30 billion more than last year's allocation.
Kuringana na katiba, kaunti ire na ngugi 14 iribatere kurita irio mathomo janasare nijo ECD ugima bwa mwiri urimi mantu jegirera na jangi na RAIS RUTO ARIUGA kigina igitanitie na ngugi iji.
National level of government has never really let go the devolved units devolved units of counties, or what we call the counties, because they still hold on a lot of resources that would be going to counties and helping counties directly if it's being administrated from the county level.
All 14 devolved functions have been conclusively delineated and bundled and formally gazetted. This milestone has eliminated decades-old ambiguities that hampered service delivery and fueled intergovernmental disputes.
Mateta ja Kenya baraba ingi magita kwa magita ni bonekete kurega kung'anirwa ni ARUTI NGUGI bwa county jara maingi ja kiuma kirirwa ngirwa barabara na rwangirwa ugima bwa mwiri.
Asiatho cia ambranchiro kuma mutwate na batona kinya bo kelokera imetaro ake njerene cionde
ro tabwe thu mwanka thai tuweta inyanto bange tuweta tukuthuranira kamete twathuranira kamete yanto 12 ono bwara gotuga tururira barabara eno 2027 twauga nombi no peo ono kauga ng'ara ono kauga uwi no peo kwa gutega kwa barabara mwangaza okete kuromba kula
ndungiruta murwaru umuvitukie mbu muretete level 3 thibitari ya level 3 auke gukuira baba tondu wanabati oxygen
na ngari na bonda iwitire imunde na yo muntu atwete gurutwika na babara ene ni rinyene ko mwene munda yo na atwete myake uyu onde tutura witira munde na yo awe
mikuranio gatigati kama gavana na MCA ni nkuchanio chonekete ire mikuthira Ankira thaiji bunge ithatu ichiombanite kweberia magavana irio Meru, Kiambu na Nairobi.
The ayes have it and the motion is passed and the governor stands impeached by the County Assembly of Meru.
Kaunti cia Wajir, Isiolo, Embu, Kericho, Makueni na Nyamira na cione imwe cia kaunti iria igeretio kweberia magavana indi bagachokwa ni Senate kana koti.
There was no sitting, there was no tabling of any motion, and Mr. Speaker, we are sitting here and asking for video recordings, which we were not being given.
This is not a win. And therefore the Senate does not expect you to go out there chest thumping. This is a postponement of your case.
mathina jangi jareja rumirite kaunti iji gwa Kagita ni ungumania no tumiri botho kubwa mbeche cia mwingi. Wirigiro baba ingi kaunti igita mwaka jwe 13 na kwa teenager na ndine ati kaunti mathina jaja kathira ka no janyanyie kenda kwa kanya gukura na witi na mbere. Nkiripotera Nteto cia Weru TV, Mbitagwa Dorcas Wakaria.